Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads.
So to remove any icons you have in your dock, just right click them, press options and press remove from dock. It's that simple. If you want to add anything back into the dock, just go into your applications and then drag it in. If you want to magnify your dock while hovering over it, then you just go to System Preferences, Dock, and then select the magnification and adjust it how you'd like. So if you want to change your touch bar, go to System Preferences, Keyboard, Customize Control Strip, and then here you can add whichever icons you'd like to put on your touch bar. I just ended up putting screenshot as that's what I was using the most. So if you want to hide your menu or your dock, then go to System Preferences, go to General, then press Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. So that's how you get rid of your menu. If you want to get rid of your dock, go to System Preferences, Dock, and then Automatically Hide and Show the dock. So if you want to change your accent or highlight colour, go to System Preferences, General, and then you can choose your accent colour, which will change the menu bar icon and obviously the accent. Then if you want to change your highlight colour, you can click any of those colours. If you do want your own personal colour, I wanted mine to match my folders. So I went to the eyedropper tool and then clicked on the folder colour, and then I got that colour. When adding languages, go to System Preferences, Keyboard, Input Sources, press the plus symbol, and then input the language you'd like. I'm learning Korean at the moment, as some of you may know, so I inputted Korean. To use the keyboard of the different language, just tap the caps lock key to use it. I used a screensaver called Flicklo. Go to flicklo.com, scroll down, press download, press allow. Once it's downloaded, double click on it, click Flicklo Saver, press install, then click on it, press hot corners, pick a corner you'd like to use, And then when you move your mouse to that corner, it should come up. So type in what you'd like your folder to look like with transparent or PNG at the end. I decided to get a pink folder just to match my desktop background. Right click on it, click. Name it what you want. Then save it wherever. Next, double click. Then drag it across so it fits your image. Then press Ctrl+C, open up a folder, press the folder icon and Ctrl+V. Then you can do it to the rest of your folders just by pressing Ctrl. So what I did, I just went to Pinterest and took a load of photos that I thought were nice. Then I went to Google, pressed that little pen icon, pressed upload from device, and then chose the different backgrounds just to see which one I liked. I think I ended up with just a pink image in the end. So this is the funnest bit, making the background of your desktop. Go to canva.com, press create a design and input your resolution of your laptop. Then go to a Pinterest board. For example, I use mine. I went with a pink theme. Then input all of the photos that you like the look of. Kind of just mess around with it. Put them where you think they look good. This took me probably about 5 minutes to do, so it doesn't take long at all. Then once you're done, just press download. And then you could really just stop here, but I decided to go into Photoshop and add a little few more bits and pieces. I added in some little PNGs I wanted to include in the image. Some of them came through as a PNG, some of them came as a checkered or white background. So if you use the object selection tool and drag it across the image, it should come out with just the image highlighted. Then right click, press layer via copy, and then delete the other layer, and you should be left with just that layer that you've cut out. With this one, it was a weird white background. It was wasn't really of a solid background, so I masked it and then I feathered it a bit. I feathered it out. Then right clicked and click layer via copy, and then the same goes with this star. And then kind of messed around with it again, added a few more stars. I added a little quote as well. After you've done, then go to File, press Save As, name it what you want. Save it wherever you want. And increase the quality. And then once you have got a hold of it, right click on it and then press set desktop picture.